I want you to do a little exercise. Right now, in your imagination, project yourself into the future. It's December 31st, New Year's Eve. You're sitting there, reflecting on the past year, just like you always do. Now, how do you feel? Are you proud of who you became? Full of confidence because you didn't let anything hold you back? Because you stayed focused, you took action, and you kept the promises you made to yourself? Or are you frustrated at yourself for not doing the things you said you would? Feeling the pain of regret of letting another year slip by? You look in the mirror and instead of feeling proud, you feel stuck. Now think about that for a second. Is that how you want to feel? Here's the thing. The choices you make right now will determine how that moment feels. And trust me, it'll be here before you know it. Whenever you catch yourself procrastinating, mindlessly scrolling Instagram, or avoiding what you need to do, take just 10 seconds to project yourself to New Year's Eve. Imagine the pride of taking action, or the sting of regret if you don't. Let that reset your focus. Let that future moment guide your decisions and actions today. I'm challenging you right now to promise yourself this is the year you make it happen. Write that promise in the comments. I will make it happen this year. Save this video and come back to this whenever you're feeling stuck or afraid. Look at your comment and use it as a reminder of the commitment you made to yourself. All right, so let's make this year the best year we've ever had. You got this. I believe in you.